Ade asa baby o. Yo minya no. Me chacha mo pa. Na me gidi se mo ho ye. Me so me ho ye. Twedi ampon ne nananom adaroma enti me ho ye pa. Na ederade ase. Se o ma nkwane ahode aba beto ye. Ne ko hwe me TikTok message na messages no de edoso papa. Mo amuyi maye. Mo amukamfo me. Mo amodome. Mo amudi matam. Mo amubom dua. De nyina me ho. Na me da mo nyina mase. Minti nkenkan ne nyina. Na me da mase. No, me am. Enra. Me ko djuma me ko di pa. Sorry akwa na se hunu me kora mo yo. Ko di pa djuma den. Ya se bi ohianti ye tin krofo ma so yedi. Na me ba ye no ma yesese bi enya se bi abra. Ma yese tomato sa apacha ma bre. Abuchi try di ho. Na me twemu a medwetwe me ho maka social media de. E part of yen as people. Abeka ye ho yempo na mum. I was say yakon na ye personality e social media ni. Na yes ade one of the best thing ever created or made. Na me twemu na me koto bodamfo baby a wo fe no mama ba. Wa bodam papa. Na adwene mu nya adwuma. Jese adwuma bedu ya santoa. Ajima bedu ya santoa. To say we be insult me the hand ba kokora because wa no wo fun me pese me hawa me haw me beja ma wa be kire bunyanza na zo ba bonte be ka se wasakram na me decide say me ma ehonu bio na sister would jimi ba me e be nam me so ama wo ni so atonwan se woden na mi twam na jimi fo be Farmer no kasa chemi, but to be we needs to be rude. It to be we needs to be rude because Sababa we to na wo jimia. Empanimfo papa fo empanimfo. Ne ma me fo empanimfo mu freedom a ebinom adwene ne wo form. Instead so be tunefo. Akase wo betimi express opinions. Wo betimi express concerns. But did ya chem akasi a wudi mpanifo ne ka be ya kate so obie no kanya asasam sa won mu ni so ye asanto won mu so ye asanto ma won ti panyini na be kwaso na wo bo adwuma wo bo nche so wudi mpanifo atem na wodi papa mu tu nipa ntem na wo jimi ye adwuma in support of Nanajima Bedu enene on se me mu ade nyina echi wo mo hene no me boni dia Ajima Bedu esas kanyeni din no asosase de na sisa akonya nso ni say din ne ma nti me dey say respect a little bit ebe ma no esas won zebu na me twemo na angofo yakofa yura John Dramani Mahama me pacho me a problem with my speech angofo yura John Dramani Mahama abeto won machi ena ge hiso won sakra papai woni na tem cancer kese mfa no na ne say mama ba me yen kanya sasem fa nche no jimi no nkrofo no mo ba internet ne so ane program ne so bebo samuna ne be cancer kese kire wo no omonim equally fools like you they are equally like you omo ti say wo pepepepepe bitterness ne wo mumu no nti ma wonu reason say nyansafo edementi no ho pa bi di na tema me say enani be 2 days and I John Dramani Mahama Boko me say Upper East Regional House of Chief I hear for him for no ebomu eba besra no na o besra no na Boko asem Yewura address wo mu welcoming ye Ghana president and I walk about constitutional rights ni niam se fata say ye and walk say abra onu ba ban mu no obeto se Boko issue no has already been assigned say ye de Yewura santehene yes no say wo mara me de anim kansa so ye bi pe ye Yewura Nana Kufuado and Okoli Wura. Utum for say to or Cosreno, says Yura, Beboy and Adom. Now Boconta and Tower Equason will crum. Now washa Masudiaba, it sounds as something enough for this. So Bucom flame baby fast for. Or more for a mosi for, dear ya. And mosi for the mosi for kind and cassette domain in the fun correct. Eti, Yura Mama address it. Upper East Regional House of Chiefs and Ban Hono. And will do to Miss Antonio so by no. And was said Yura, or 2-4 say to Yam Cassie. Nana boom dear boom was it. I said, say, Yura, why a big penny? Unyayana. And nay, a fancy, Yabon. And some other bon, some by in ano. Ukula Mununian within Kitamo Masu Yabamene, or Kotamala, and the Jianquan, development a coso. And now call India and the Jianquan development a coso. And now call the Gombam Potamubia and the Jianquan. Eti, Saboy. Nayebi, and my bew. Never so over to me, Unian Mukuma. Yananum, I first a Bocuna Banum, and then the Edding Kitanum. Every say to so the opinion, say what? Is I say, sending the Cancano, Ghana or Cromofra Santa for say Musi Fasifo. Here that's easy a fracan foam, a Musi Fasifo, AG2. The Mosini Mosini Enka, Yankasa said in your domain me funkuli. Tira did to me say, Obera Maboko, and sends me a cosso no, as well because I could have won you a bocon, Unyasudi, Unyam Punctu, Unyam Cosso, Unyasa what turn the crum. Na said the yard now one mokaha, a tron mokahan, a dawson. Say never must be me as a children on my bocono. Now one sweet me a D. No man so upon him, Tira Penny. Isanse opebokuma yi. Na we na yewra John Mahama. Oguso o address Upper East Regional House of Chiefs no kase. Nana bokuna ba nana azoka. Ono na ya gazette no a. Ya gina tum. Sa wo ye bokuna ba. Na ba ko no asa bia chi nana seedu ne de. Na seedu. Ya no obo no samna no. Yewura yese what the befa amamna ni amane customary traditional customary practices so anye yi eni nche ba sa no oyisu arbitration because abe na asem ni customary na omukunkum omu ti yewura apply arbitration eti asem no a free mediation ekwa arbitration because yewura yusu emra laws ya Supreme Court dey act asem no so pen and what dey apply asem no sebum pese customary laws ni be adwuma dey e be su Ghana constitution as arbitration near the asem no eti otufo say to ya mekase nyansa bo akwa nyame a nyakopon de na ama asante masa asiso oyiso arbitration e de masem no ene odi asem no se de Supreme Court edi asem de to nti Yewura Mahama eka no se ono emra ma obi bedi here so customary laws and practices em obi bedi here sa mra ko na ne ba ono sa manyonia ye the constitution no ene obi ekokromti ene yi no e ma ne bedi here ti kwani am eyi obi here no na wono obefa processes mu ni ya register as Ghana president no sa na obi befa processes mu ni ya register as a chief on a certain traditional area eti woni de bi wonim ni se na azoka na ye bok na ba ya gazette no ya ono Ghana constitution e no de ba eduma eti wo de basa yo biala so be ya ohuminti minimu na afa nkosia biara no oba me ya chew no me ya chew so oba service sentences and Yewura John Mahama e kan asase bi woni apayisifo e na ekasa woni apayisifo e na edi nkomo nananu won koye obiele ni ho a oka se nananu kana nananu otumi se ombebusa Yewura president se asema wo kan e bia nye na kwanso no so nananu nyina bo mu nsem sanse ne ohiri bia na adwumu do ohiri bia na ni ebue na ni da ho no opede mama yi no obe prefer sudie ase basabasa yo obe prefer development education obe prefer say ne nkrofo ebe intellectuals asin say obe tena bontena to ayampia ensaba ennim ensama enka ho to ohiri bia na adwumu da ho sa ne oye onu prin nimdie eprin koso ede ma onu mama na onu nyina so hu say Yewura na say to abenyam kese na na ma onam so or the education found wo just be a fa and nurse school hu ni nimdie ho no obo modern ye said mama benyan onu nyine sua ye rajandomani e kasa wie ye eja one apa is original out of chief kasa wie oja onu ka omukọ ama mpo ka se boko asumdie bawa what $1 billion ebe ye fapem ene agina e de amabokoman na ye di ayomani ye memu mranche ne mabawa eja kumase ne nkran kro kodi pa werefo no mata onu krom na won maso atimi de won ma hoden abochidom ama manu ye di akono anim na daachi bi no obi so betimi afiribon region se me koboko akoye dwuma obi betimi afidom asa me koboko akoye dwuma we ni o mampanyin ni sode hu na o ka kire Upper East Regional House of Chiefs adia chi ya na mamaba asesa president abistio adania wo bruni bia wo betu aba ediama endisi no ya ne wode na me ka se MPP ti so MPP mo campaign message na si edu nketi ya general mosquito kan o se ede nkwasiafo na ya campaign ye wie de nyansafo ya adwuma atwa won ka mo diska ye de munyamfo de enim kan akwa IMF ye de won mo ye titiru ya ko won mo abo mu anim kotodwe agi afutu ana wante papa wudi na temi ena abuni ne hwan heba this time mo bunufo a sebia nyaado mugu ne political bunu region na imagine se wo hini bia ni onipa bi onam bunu region wo ebuni no magire ete sebia nyaado sumuna so ade fia ato atwe e region ye create 1959 asantefo wo mu amwo bunu region it is time to stand up for your birthright ebrasu se wo santini woni mu nanan mabakosem woni mu nanan mamantuo woni mu nanan mamantena woni mu nanan checheriye ya sebia nyaado sebia bra from 1959 ya this important abeti ho efra Atlantic Kingdom nim ade ye na bia ye fra no ebunu half region it is your time to stand up so be say onu fra kwamu no also be defending an animal right it is your time to also stood up and stand up for your birthright money wonum akora wose wo mane maame na bentwa empaneto obiele ni jini maame ho obiele ni jini papa ho obiele ni jini nana ho obiele ni jina won totaso ho won me chantro e de egu abakosem mu esa se ye ba no abakosem ye bi etie menye nana mada worma e kade e fa na abakosem nim hu mpani nsem minim bibie ni madwin eni me da yesu mu eti agyenfo a moya santefo na munim nana no bre won mama ne won mamentuo won mamantena obukukushi ase won motokwa yo mode techi won kuro na manyo sembe wiase ni ebeti ba bi ade hoto bro no moso mo sare na mama santi semu hia mo sare na mama santi semu hia mo kira di mabedu e won na political region mu se wo ye amasie ni wo ye kwabiri ni wo ye adanse ni wo ye sechire ni wo ye atwemani wo ye ahafuni wo ye asante atimni. This is a time oni biala wo ne political abru region ya wo de wo do nananum wo so bu nananum akonya wa wo teso ka wu se wo nananum de bre e de amane e de wo kun e de nisuo wo wuo e na o de chichire insase e ni konya na ma adwuru so ti so be gira me na manyo 70 ya beti ba bi se bro half region ni ya de intimidate na wonnim so na nate ase woni bibi e fa de bono wonna na wo fra sokole nim bono wonna na wo fra dance do party nim bono wonna na wo free as akochale nim bono wonna na wo fra soja santimaso nim bono wonna na wo free from na nim bono e wasa wo sobe na wo should defend your birthright because a ne romafo no biti abontene soria and the brahimfo and the brahimfo and the brahimfo mame papa ya wo so what wa bakosem se wo nananu fre na political asante region mu ade na wo ya bo wo nananu mamento amanta ma nananu so atimi ada asudiem ade na wo ye ade aboa ade aba na wo so wo ye ka hu so nananu ba na ye nkwaye o wo nananu ba emu bone emu hu ena na wo kwaye num wo nananu bi do won kra ebo afode akikire won man ene se sunya so beyi ne buafo ama atu ne buafo ne sebofo atochena menyi ni se wo so betena ho ama nananum bra mo bra ye nyina no ayekwa enu ti na na wudi hene enu ti na na wudi hima enu ti na na ofra ho so de hye enu ti na na ofra ho se wo so yi nipa ho me ana won so ka wo ni wiase ti mo sare na mo so mo kire won se da bi ya tawa ye dina ke pasodwe na ke penkabo mu na ke pekoro ye party obi wo mu ka ho hie wo eya manyosem party obi wo mu no e ka ho hie ya amanyosem be fra be friend bet right ya your identity obi ntimi bichi obi ele no wo so bichi obi de e be press obi de e de be obi de minyan emba frei at internet so asese o mampanyini ye wura John Dramani Mahama age watem adania o makoto na se de nyado ene political region no statistically ye have population e 2.3 eburu ne buru is 2.3 aburu buru is o ye amuni Kumasi kura sensa ho o mu se Kumasi no amanfrafo bi go ne basi e kire wo se asantifo ye mo bi experience nya e PNDC breso enu ti na ye se MPNDC na asantifo bebre ni aba ono so esasa bebia ba or the Kumasi as cosmopolitan edi agoro ebi ni na 40 na Akufo-Addo amaga interchange anye so am interchange kofo be hyase ebu aboye enne Sevilla hospital ebu aboye enne KNUST hospital ebu aboye enne Kajetia phase 2 ebu aboye enne si etiwei so am abebu aboye eda so ya pampa so etiene yesusu binum enye se ye wo yetum asem ye beye. It is a wo say wo mu kwoto aba because of someone amose send na Akufo-Addo ye wuro Akufo-Addo abra said obe free chest de ma mo Ghana for expenditure ente se eye kwan abo mo hoka no one stronghold kura no on the great because of say no person wo ye bibie fa ni quality obese wo juro ma ni nyina ho no obi biala nya ne chefa obi biala nya ne so ne de wan kase wo ma wei un producer the resources nti memwo o ma wei wuni Akufo-Addo tu no si ho eboa ba bibia no tokoro bia mu wo de mo akọ ho NDC ni ba enya free SHS MPP ni ba enya free SHS CPP ni ba enya free SHS netafo ba enya free SHS mo nyina mo enjoy free SHS aso na mo tiny agima bedu ne selfishness interest or no person ye no ho so ye de ye kuro ben ni asase ben na wuswe won to ma 6 years ya wo sa som sakras 2 ni ya said ye nya do wo kwa awade wuso mukura awo wonsem aba wanda di wuso wan kura na even kura do ma ho kuro se na wo betimi di so do ho en kuro se ne mwanfo maka kire na me ka kire wo na wo betra bonten do ma kuro no asantifo kuro na do so wase wo mumu esa se ne mere wo bi ani ate obi agimu da ho obi to ne na nchene wo de wo da city so betra bonten ebe kasa sabra munya kwan ebre wo hye wo mu no sabra na santifo akia no atum na ye nkayasa eti munya kwa bre wo hye ye nua no ma no mu firi moja krom ye na ero kogu political apology na ba ba tidi di nto so ene nyina be kasa ene ye nyina be ye dede ye nyina ye di emotional connection ebe so madum ama mu nyina ni aba mo homre so se ne mo de political sabotage ne propaganda evi ni wo mo no ene maami wo dusini bibia wo wiase de apase e ka kire mo ne se mo na mo besie mo betra bonten na najima bedu obu Ghana mra so se ma hemfo nya manyosem esasa manyosem politics is dirty akora betimi abedu otem papa ignore bibia la betra bonten be ka se odna konya ana tusu na fa na mo tanya no wo ma santinti nya so do NDC party no wo tanya papa wo ma santinti bibia be masanti abrasi bia no ye ho adwuma jema bedu na wo ye mehe na jema bedu wo ye mehe wo se bia nya wo masati na otiso no me bibia koso bia no me metachire me se be se me no bedia jema bedu enne me no masema wate nei se me minimu bi no what is coming there was because we na no metachire kro ama wane mo mamu meje moso amenne ya gunafo ye na bontin ma won to asase enye mu galamse enye mu man enye mu sikedi ava chichiri mu kuro abra bi na nanom da be chichiri kuro no ya no ane sai na amene jimi fo nko a ene wo so ofiri wamfie
no ya guna ni no nim ni papa oye no nim na bakosem obesore so obekoma bia na ni Jimmy Fonkwan na me I am one woman standing me ne wo mi enu sasa no unto se be pie me na nanu nsam ama me boatom ye mo boa do de ye me na ye nso no I will pay you back me chi omuka 100 times 100 wo na me yan papa eye amanyo se mi no because of so openisi oboa on penisi because ne wiase mu no nipa bebre aye baptisms a lot of people will be baptized with their conscience. They will not say it, but most of the people have changed their perspective of political parties. And to be our said you see a political party now because of a technology exposing yemu binti. Yemu bi ya kasa yenim se desi kasa. Kanenwa na kia de NDC ni begina ha. Ya penen mape. Ya de MPP ni begina ha. Ya penen but na yemu bi ya renewed what I thinking. Na de na Nekufu Addo ye ma mo nyina la e kwa na Nekufu Addo ye wo political blue regime nyesa nketoa emwo wo bo ye chip compound o ye clinic wudo na Nekufu Addo si ye na Nekufu Addo ye na adwene se mi manye match kura wo ye bi e de e wasante region de na so ye se manye bebiri kura no a na ma many an mega project no na mi ye ma won ma se lo mbe consider MPP mutimi yi adema bedu timi jina so ena ohini bi ena mampagini bi beba na ba santi ba ye kese wo ye do ma hene ena mo hwe nyame anim ye campaign abra wo ni pefese de wo sena na Nekufu Addo ye bia wo ye as a president COVID ba ye na Nekufu Addo jina mu ewiase nyina ho kire no ewiase nyina kogosi abo ewiase nyina nema ye den aduane bo ye den so mo jina so wo na najima bedu ye campaign de tia na Nekufu Addo se wono na ama otumfo akese politics na ma otumfo akese ama no sem na politicians no omo na musi asante akonya ana omo na chichira kan asante ana omo no musi asante hene ana omo no muyi asante hene ana omo ye delegation ye ma wono akodendwon ha na ba asante ho wadwene wo fomti wotina ho ama omo yisu e ka kire wo se e ya MPP fo adima bedu na beka ayo ana ayo we wura kese ye wura jondoman mama wonim so no kura na ye wura nim ni fi ni nkola bedem atame osibesi ade so no ye wura sante hini ti sei Rollins afi na ni be ba no mere so ye bo achija be misleading bo achija drobuni e kire Rollins reconciliation bre no mpa kofo mpon ma be because of Sodom sas e ma ye nya santini o ware no oba bonte be kase e to bia no onu no hu se nyame bo na santini na Nekufu Addo agima na kasa asem e kire o mehu se satro otan ye transante Rollins no otumfo ti se obi aka bibi onti o ade ye wura otumfo se tutu nyam kase kwani nipa Rollins o kasa na ye wura Rollins tie esanse atoro mo de to ye ntam na anwonafo eni asantefo sa anwonafo so ni asantefo ti se sa anwonafo ni asantefo di akwade anwonafo ni asantefo e wo ma mo na mo ti wona mo sagigeti e wa santinim mo sagigeti wi adam se bu nyina mo santinim no ni ya be kasa santefo Rollins enne wa huni wura na ne ho yira no bibie ni wan na bra bo chiri a odi o mampanyi weye bibie ni wan ye o menhia Rollins ankobi obehu no kore ye nya ma mo hu ne kwa mo hu na santefo suba no me bo mpa ye mpa ye ma mo se mo maya santefo na munya asem tete Ghana fo no bia asem na santefo ye sei na sant ye de wo no se me we me ton 50 cities am ka to se me ton 1000 cities ye no ye polish ye ade na no nche se wotan ye liberty ye ho eno nche se ye bu mo maya santefo na mo wodo santefo wo na mo peyo ene se bia nya da ho brase santefo wo mo ankasa mo ntiete obiala mo ntiete mo mame no mo ntiete mo papa mo nche da maya santefo na mo hu se dia santefo ntete na wo baby no was experience say santefo nya me mame kaya na ne udi bem na me so me ko fa santini ba ko peni ni kodi agro mo nko yo bibi na kodi aga se me ko fa santini ba ko peni kodi agro ani santefo nsan na sha santefo su man atro no wo mudi eguma dwunum all because of say one person mo tire santefo na man no se bia ba mo gina piti me no mienu na nanom ene bo mu enti UP officer na sa bre no na tension no wonana na onim nyansa na wonana nim dia kwaso na kayade na gama shikepe ebe kan element no national liberation movement ayade na UGCC members be kan national liberation movement Nori People's Party, Islamic Youth Organization, and no youth organization, and you're dead no one bekan. Busahu, huh? And you're dead because Omu say, Woman fitted to Sassan to Odo, and then near this apple we are to him. What do you say, Santifonia? On Powen Mare, Mimi, I made a mistake. No be a way ye, now you're not there to room feeder. No be bow, no man room for we are Santini, I had to say, eh? Santini bia no wode amurani akofia no maame so ma no ware no de obu kachem na ye no anyi kotompo anya no kware ye tradition mu no kane no tete no ana na etesa esa na adehie wo nkonya bi nti enne obi no obefa nkrani de na kon maame wo se maame me kunu ni ampesa ware ne maame so nkrani nti mi wa no e bia de mu ye e de sa ne man beba hweminya enkrofoi e bracklestin na nakufuado not because of some do NDC. Na busa answer some do NDC. Ayede na free titi nyina wo monto aba ma NDC. Na najima bedu e de ne beta this agenda propaganda is also task and tinti. No be NDC sem. And as abrese ura mahama ye desperate politicians abra bodo no. Politician ni bia no ye papa. O ye desperate and make the bia also o yisu no di edi nkunim no obeyisu. Ani die. Pa bobi e waso obobia enye amaneni ba ko pe na yesa onum nyina te saa onum nyina tro ena ye ni mo enkrofo ati internet so wo ka ni si MPP asema ni yaso mo ni edi watam saa na manyofo nyina te eso MPP fo fidi won saa no no so ndey ewura mama won na boka vintela pa saa na tie ye fra bibi se propaganda dada saa na amaneni biache opposition those are the measures omu yisu ana won ko yisu na najima betu ye hu se wo yiti ponkoso what asantifo te be yisu what anya what asantifo wo be se na wo spread ade konna political blue region na yes asante ne bunu political blue region wo problem e kwa ba so anuano be no betima ya problem ayeye anuano be no betima ya problem ayeye e center chema kurati me ko na so na nkire se aduane ko se anum no a ta kire ma wo nye mene ase enkam ho adima bedu on ma guase ono nkrofo ana wo sabasa say ewura mahama besi wo mudi na tamto no ho e pa me bia ka na yire Mrs. Lord na mahama me ni mienu nyina ya kasa your problem with our accent me de no me say me wo problem with my speech e kwa be so na kofa na de wo be didi you Mrs. Lord na tam so ya odai wo bia tina no kasa pen obi ehunu ne se what no rora sanse wo bi pen wo bi ehunu ne se what no hihye sa na ma wo bi mu pen na ke ka wo ya santini eso oni kuro enne amanyo senti ya fra ho political pro region ni kuro ni nkuraza wo ru so de nsa ene na no abe rora sanse wo bi pen ha ana wo hu mpo se what no hu twitwi sanse wo bi pen otene ba bi esa so no won timi kwabena ene won timi nkokodo otene ba bi on be se santini be kase and now we are disappointment and why you say and never cancel my case on per se and no be so no feel so ebuni and I love no mama or to the baby a yet day now ko fani bedi na tem ne ba na onye pe ababa wa mama ba na nko na ewura mama na odinate wo pa che se oba ye ko omra ma wo hina agima bedu wo che se ehine na constitution wo hina agima bedu no bu ndi wo ehine constitution wo hina agima bedu recommended ayena constitution wo na jama bedu nanim no wo ye Ghana ban Obama Ghana fo di asase mra ne ye ana okotu asem ko ne onemo oni apa isifo na ekasa ayedan na bukofa asem wo best and etira me catch something force it is time to open our political ideology because binu ye o madine say asante for the ose to Obama party and a party B and it party B baswa anybody feeling entitled say one na sa party ne ba ma won and this ideology has to stop because this time it's time for development. This time it's time for development. Metro and never see you know, as yet. Rather than no crop here and this bullet time. Whatever you know, any careful like I said to us and person, and what and naturally mention not here. And naturally mention an order. Niura and your Santa Hene. And the today baby Nancy, yeah. Obi what dear, Obaka said, oh, yeah, mean to me, Panchana, there be. Anybody obey the party anymore, and they consider why never the party anymore, why never before party no, at the end of Juma, and then about some of that, Obi Baba D party be so, or no better Sante, or better can force will be a. Obi Baba D party see so, or no better Sante, or better can for, or better Ghana Mass will be a. So these are the polarity I was a free necro, yes, just some crop for. Media, me coming answer some chinawa. It is time to stop propaganda. Some year beer or we do musica or no study or force nipa such in time. We are winning to you winning a jump. And then your project enough from MPP to NDC. Obiama no chayabo. Obiama no chayabo. Obiama no chayabo. It's as NDC ni said on top of mammy. MPP ni so one day. One way I'm in Crawford demand ya mom cry on the top of mammy. And the she in one coin ye trinkwan as a cosmopolitan yo yan ye big bian say Mammy can and say ye were John Don Mahama obey from so baby Mrs. Eura John Don Mahama buying Bakoswa nefri mo the cabinet members every mo the ministers every mo na pontis and a man na by a coso. Na ko botaye se opese ototo ne ema yie no de didipa na mo amwo ne nchen no mu bi ye mambofo mu bi eye mambofo na se bia nya be se bia bare se ye ka abro region how many population na ho ato abade aba bi ba power how many e je se enya upper east for to aba savannah for to aba Northern region for Antoaba. Eastern region for Antoaba. Western region was north, central region Toaba. Asante region half already in Toaba. I friend say, what will be Antoaba? Oba is a buno ne blue is the Toaba de president Mama. Caso we need sit all because of that down. Na momo dia ne calculating in abom kure 3%. 12% kure you. 12% and for about my power. Name me contributibi. A contributibi am abano what him begin to me or pass open no. Huh? Ya can be a tour by a greater cranny and then your friend say a greater can not podcast Santa region. Followed by northern region, followed by central region, followed by western north, followed by eastern region, followed by a friend saying a crow a bridging cry. A fraud say, Upper East. You can't blue region. What was so best 8? 8 are most of to if it is when you're tantrum. A Jabani Maheno, and you were this one do some what time at Antifonti. Carbano wants some piano. And my soldier for non family teachers Antifonti. That was your dream. Carbano, one name you won in now. What you want to go good one matter or Cassa will be in the noon. Te sasa bia nya se bia bra obi yeti ya nation no ko one ne nkotena se anim guase ente se one ne nkoje drabontin ko didi nya sa na open abani ngunu mufi and self and wo yini wo bibia o ba betra bontene akasa social media blogger chief open o na se bia nya minister of finance kura ne ko ye fine minister of communication kura ne ko ye fine ana na da sie dun keti a hoye e ba appoint na mama Sabi Jemfin mo head, about point to mamma. Her clutching. So person wouldn't near say bofra. Or wouldn't say ya, no penny for the dear. What anyway? What ya want to cast and what you lose them? And the guasia will critic. Trouble tension more minor. One mamma penny, and a taxpayer's money, as of unnecessary issue. Chief taxi tension, secure or minor. O man penino any ama o man mutas pay no you spend on enye bini ni nyina so create ba wo yini what because of person say no so ya Bruno yene because ya te Bruno region ya te Bruno east free Bruno region to be so ya no say and na no kasa te so o kasa so ye boat na ya dia no na ya Bruno region yene ano keke crofon sase crofon konya se Ghana no sabi una control Ghana ni nyina una control president una control military una control police una control bibianti wo betimi de ope e wane keke gengen kwa nkura na be for Bruno yene na reality no member da your dreams na so ntimi member because ade reality no ay ade kura obi ade reality ni ade obi timi hu feel it touch it na your dreams are not reality because you see it, you can't touch it, you can't feel it. Mr. Man, I'm paying mona mom and now course for the university more doom so shim mona mutu ni din political propaganda for yeah bi mama party enti ababi besi so ane ya delight sem ne ye woni ni nyina ye hu sa strategy no de abasi ya kire mu ne se mo ana mutu ni din enne waba so ye incompetence na emfa ngosi o so person ye na emayi eti amuna ni hu hia enkra ni hu hia emfanti ni hu hia asanti ni hu hia obi ala wote Ghana nim na se bia nyado Ghana no emode bo obo hu modi bi no hu hia ena wo ya Ghana resources are western north asante region eastern region ehefabio na fe so other commercial commodities yenya nkuto bayire every north yenya bi free Bruno region yenya bi free Bruno east yenya bi free these are commercial commodities but the resources na muwa yedi sopro man no ehi na enya free western region western north asante region eastern region na won enya free so ba chere say ejo ba chere say aba no won migrate all this area I have a region to move that's because asante region I have a region won migrate all this area emede ene wo hine no wo man boka wo chieftaincy issue no emeton sanity what one na ya for ya santo wa jiminti na ya santo nkurase kwa ku we ro ya santo akasakasa hu empty barrel makes the most noise and back. You are just making noise, agitation for nothing. Since you abandon so by, I was saying for the one of the what's the MPP? They are not good for the year. What you need to yes in get it now for a baby. And they were John Doman Mahamaba, you were a good waddle or Deno, I would defeat. A day may be now perfect, you were done. I rather. A day may be an open free John Doman. Some was someone to a bar. And social media and TV are all been exposed. Montrase, na percentage na momoto de count. Percentage, some woman, my dear. So we really vote to Omwa. One boam, some more MPs. No more pre-BB, our parliament in the Abraham. And then the boam keke. Now no more was I won't idea about power. Now one more ticket and you know more to one. Only represent one. You see what been awful. You see what gonna end your your percentage in your every regime politically about man you say more percentage in your every regime. What would the to bed na as a 10? What dear to bed na as a 10? Politically region. The highest region is Greater Accra. The second highest is political Asante region. Political Greater Accra region. What call and then the third highest Northern region. East Upper East. Savannah region. Sa na tetie na ba Eastern region, na ba Central region, na ba Western region, Western North region, na ba I feel say Oti region, asa na Sania, Volta region, asa na ba Modi eso. Volta region is even more populated than Wodi. What is the movie? Statistically, nipa to aba our region ni mono. Statistically, population in your 1.1 thousand 290 something pound, 90 something people. And Blue East region, so 1 million, I'd say 1 million, 1,000, to 2 million, 200 and something. But who call Northern region quite me and Ekali that 2 million? Northern region quite me Kelly that 2 million. What is happening for public peace? As a sa o mampanyine so santini na ya kamo NDC for kama swali di atam obi be ka chi kura na wonya santini a na maswale na mudi atam ababa wetu ato o mampanyine ho enre ni mere ebia na ade asentimo ho sadia ta mama bai wato mampanyini ho ade na yirafra na ne nkrofo ti ponkoso o madresi o mutra say I am telling this to my dearest Asante people. Asante mai ene yenuamo Asante fo on mugu ahafo region they are being renewed. Yenuamo Asante fo mugu Bono region and Bono East region they are being renewed. It is time to also renew ourselves. Me no kura kwana me kachira wo because your project is the NDC. NDC was in your strong word on ye. On NDC transport minister base on se mubi odi 40 and the MPP say ase na omo ye 40 and ma amo kwata be catch say aka 5 in 30 be ni nyina wa Asante be ba kokoro ma ye as a cosmopolitan yetia na na ku to timi buai enye ye airport wo tamale enye interchange wo tamale as a whole cosmopolitan you need interchange as a flowers you need interchange what's wrong party ba onye because of necessity bia teacher tie beto ama wonu wo position party ba onye onum so yema wukura no a onya yeyi and this time it needs to change. I don't care about anything anybody will say. I am talking to my people. The pace within me is too much. The pace within me is too much. Me wua na yemu na mokume because of say yakasache mamuntie. It is time to change a lot of things the way we think. Dear Tiene say, a baby aba, said Yanyado. Come on, crab my phone, or betting yes. I was a baby about what time no you baby a bit developer. Sana can say. So, fourth time, Yahana be developer, or second time, Hana be developer. Above from bar, Nakasabi 36 years and can develop all the state. Can develop all the state, but they pay to some of the Ghanaians. You see? So please, we should also make sure, say, so targeting side drum no. Sasa drum na ye dia 2 year drum. Ye film. All the president yatem. Is as a president and then hene Ajima Badu. Do ma hene. Enko yo mufi wo vuturu. What's the Ghana sika nyina anko Ajima Badu. Onko faja Ajima Badu. Enfa ni nani. O peja na say o man pagini o ma nkwan. Magamashi manche, ye man be chipalid. Just say he's actually trying to get everybody involved. Usumai no one ye, or you're a president. Wabe president. Wabe president, and the president, you know, ya wabe and be and what done what di. I will new medim. Opposition party, only rebel leaders. And our president here, only different people. And we need to change our narratives. Krache, ya o catch himself side no. Krache abante, they catch you for what? Now she answer. Just learn sense. Ordinary sense is what me Asia. Huh? And what were you expecting me to say? Huh? I am speaking to you, bro. And today na pass make a wedding me abetro ye was. So it is time say ye change your narratives. Now when the first way change your narratives, it depends on me no. How are we going to do it? Our terms of reasoning. It needs to be very holistic basis. And the menu me and no, I was here society again. Our plan baby so I was here society again. Our plan baby so if it needs to be based on individual way of thinking, individual attitude, individual experience, individual professionalism, the intellectual state, individual based on wisdom. Some way needs to be considered. Now you say we have been stagnant. We've been stampede. We've been stuck. We are yet to baby yet to baby MC Ukraine, ya dumping microphone go yeso. MC ya dumping other people all from go near the go yeso. What is happening? I didn't see. Tizono ababa one and argument in traseno. Hey, better broche and in kratano. Near some soy home. Near some soy home, every limit of chances a enya. Near some soy home. Ababawa, who made a salam seeking with Germany, I'm a taxpayers. The other good Ghanaians are on contributing taxes. Our German, You on board you machiak. Ye be a santifo, e be a monafo, e be a cranfo, e be a sponsor wo, and ye keeping your life well being. What in better want to create trouble attention? What better want to create problems? So come on you. Now what was basic ground ben would you asylum no? I the call would you asylum no? Would you refugee no? Would you don't provoke me to come to that jam? Me obi a baby call restricting you. Obi oni mi bia busabe. Men na me chro ehoma and come Manchester Evening News concerning lose power Manchester. The MP no men na me chro ehoma fan. That article belongs to me. I am the speculating everywhere. Speculating everywhere. Hey Rabba, me aka some fancy say, we below belt in terms of being bold, being brave, being intellectual, and being reasonable. We below belt. But most often, I don't blame you. I blame some of my people who can such someone in any shape of size or because of a certain excess of understanding I want from our beginning. Who did you my penny at him because of the say ma a police for a bioso abedja bonting ade abra or address Upper East Regional House of Chiefs. Your muna baba visit womoba. You're president. And no president no address womu true and yema constitutionally no a right to be done. And yema constitutionally a acceptable. Yeah, was or no nensa. It is tight because a Ghana near G2 Muna, you're right, and the end constitution. No, say that he Sase said, a mamma near money by Anye. Into arbitration, no. It's Imperial Royal Majesty 242. I arbitration, no. I refer to Ghana constitution and then the Bayajuma. So gazetted or Hinenwa or war Nana Azoka. In a Bokonaba. Nana said, "Edie, onye boko na ba." Eti wo abe basabasa you bia so obe from Nana sha wasem no, obechi watum de mra no, eno ye wo wasem be. Na so bongu sabo na mo ye basabasa ya political bureau yi no. O ru se na najima bedu and the supervise all this nonsense. Eti you see akuti enu ni wura. Onim so na wo. Onim so na ajima bedu, timakosi odi na tem. Onim sa ajima bedu mu Ghana mra. You all aware, but you are following blindly. So what Jimmy enti move so. It will be your man paying at them. Quaka and a code de more cabbage do not attempt. So yeah, in the favor was stupid ideology, no stupid agenda. Can I be drab on job disrespect? You see how people have say black man no sense. Black man no sense. And then we are say economy, na people are making good impact. Good use of a new technology abeyase and necessarily for advancing themselves and be useful with the same technology we are here and then they banter west and then you did the attempt you expose the stupidity and the idiotic nature imbecile attitude it is here they abra bibia won bia wo internet issue eyesika everything you see eyesika music people are consuming and extracting money from it. Because the more you share somebody's video, say abrofui di enye before the hute. Say abrofui nyumu ya ana Crawford di ye one background song sound in here they are extracting money. Advert guso. People like you are the reason Ghana is stampeded until today because would you answer na would be so bad a time me sway I'm a look at me a very obi a me obi a man but I spend a lot about me especially on education side. As I said, my expectation no amen. So I want to make sure that ma will gain that kind of opportunity no. What you wear so na Jimmy na u Jimmy aban so yeah. German was citizen or one taxpayers na ban de ho what them free untwa bills hwe be bills egu mai so hwe bills e de egu mai so hwe bills ye de egu mai so and name you off. I have to make sure to make some of the payment because some of them deadline china You don't have a burden. Uti German in Piache, who did free? Oma, school uniform free, books free, school feeding free. Abama is weekly. The old man said what's in a fee. Not 3 o'clock and 3:30 abo. No matter. So you have the time to do nonsense. And I will instigate trouble attention. His speech. I will internet issue. Mama ba, met sure baby about flowers and say. Well, actually, I just give a second thought. Oh, mammy, here, to say, mammy, ya. Di here no come to tell ma, not my giant maybe. But why also a way stubborn on? Best is the band I would go dear Drew. So what the chief attention, dear Drew. What's it? You are very funny. So, Minian, Mumusa Ghana for Doma Force. One kwani abano omudi ana ne mfa abano ma omo ebia se obi a support abana ji se omo num kwa nti eja ga na bato mo omo a 10% ko mbeti mageni ama abano 8% ko mbeti mageni ama abano obunim how e calculate 1% political vote no ye calculate 1% omunim how e calculate 1%. They don't even know how the number of people are. Yeah, assume almost 1%. You assume almost 2%. They don't even know. And it's a minor. Yeah, it's na ye dear. Ye na obia will be an idea and okusi. We shouldn't be fooled. President be aba onim ni oye. Ahemfu nyina ntimi nyepe. Say ye du kurofo. Say ya bempon. Say ya mahini, say overlord for umuntimi nyepe because be an jurisdiction. President for no go ni they know. It is so expect to almost on bear war richer. You have been daft. On yet the open my man, breaching the ball man. And it is here to a baby dear. Yen to a basse, the baby pum to and coso a can crawl and the sunny metitisa. And then and near my was a assuming no. Then you be say, and I may be away. I was say to a bad piece or say bit me at TV. And near my beboy in Chinma. And near Manum. So per party ya for sabotany woodum, open party beer for sabotany room, and for be uncle room because of baby I will free. And next animal and I because of maybe I would say. And I because you've been influenced by your parents. Sunny man a chum. Echam. So also what do chilima now do next generation. We need to change our way of voting. Our way of voting needs to be changed. So what I say, Chromia, Nansenya Reform Party by a lot of conservatives MPs. So many conservative MPs are defective. Most of them are defective. Why? Because we will say, for more, say maybe reforms have a future for one. Add there one more aspect of implementing man. Titi immigration. You see, so there were a couple of reforms are almost so defective. They are called Labour. Why? Because some of them say Labour Party no also no. They assess the way piano or born home money eye. So we should also learn the same thing. Maybe me animal. Maybe understand them as a sound. As a sapra set because of obi papa betrianica. No one fashion maybe have one day. As a son. May miss animal. So you also have to change. You ought to change. You know, some mom. Now what to say Jimmy Fobi to say, Mama back to her, no cancer from what but on Tiasi, do can on Tiasi. No as all casa. Because there's no physical reasoning. You cannot depict nothing. Say, oh, about politics more the oka when you oka. About relative more when you just say it doesn't make any sense. But about hatred mudia, it makes sense. About time one, it makes sense. To haters. We shouldn't be fooled. And they say foolish people. So I'm a trim. About your phobia. You're very sorry because I have another
my discussion, bear me history. So basically, I am very sorry. Okay, one person. Brad Gordon. Oh, crowd article. I'm so just so article. Another one person. Another on a article. Sorry. 99%. 2 minutes. So I've been here since you started. Okay,
Yeah.
99%, 2 minutes.
Good morning. What I say, me that's it. Me akunya. And the whole Kenya, I say, nyoma bi na me, nyoma me nubi, me ensana